Previous episode 14.
Ni Johnny Mother, Season 1, Episode 15.
No, you are. Oh, no, Papa, la mo fe le ke jomo minima bile sani jomo minima bile de yo gbe yo na ni fe mi ngbele no mi ne fo ma ba no you o mo la ne fe sisi o fo mo to ko mo si papa si no wa tale wa te no ta o pe ni televia ko ni ba no ba fi no fe papa be ni bule ni ke ko je tele de mo ne fe le atu abule be kra le ke oh we price say yin le ke mi do fi no pe je agbodun ko shika na chi o pe je agbodun ko shika de mo le ami no ma ni na le mo pa be mo so ma try nke phone e ba oh ishimu oh no mama twale she again she no mama twale she be life you know oh me ne fe yan be akọ wule yin ona ma akọ ni ase bo yin de ba yin no ma lo be yin no ma be nke yin ona ma bile ka de ko ami to oh ni lo pa ya mo mi fe cha ke bi le shop ne o nya le fomo e be na ko ni tete de twale ke show e sa ni na le asumo alwa ko mo ko no ka jaji la hi bibi o e no ta si ne fe mo ene o mi sa ne ne oh pa ya nyo ni can't be a man, Charlie. Oh, funny. Oh, fair fact, no bow only one pharmacy. Well, me what? I let me my babo store now. Yeah, back on the walk when you are. But in a continent, what's the boy? Yes, it's your me to my jar coaching. Oh, man, we are taking Glenn away. You look like a no terrible mamma. She fell one. Oh, are you a boy? My man is oh, and the other me, no, Fiona, no, playing. You were not true. Man, oh, me talk. Philippine, like the last Filipino, hey, call it a conjugated natural show. I thought you were more for Lamon, never know about Wednesday and here with you.